According to the software company Umail, nearly 5 billion robocalls were placed in the United States last month. Missourians averaged more than 13 calls per person.
And people in Illinois averaged 11. Well, tonight, Contact 2's Mike Colombo shows you how to fight back and potentially profit off of those unwanted calls and texts.
They are the phone calls and text messages we love to hate.
Phone rings and you're like, oh man, who is it? Look, it's unknown. Oh, great.
Annoying robocalls once led Armando Fierro to block hundreds of phone numbers.
Now, knowing what I know, I unblock all of those numbers and I answer the phone confidently.
A lot of times people think those are scam calls, but oftentimes there's legitimate businesses behind it.
Chris Roberts is a consumer attorney in St. Louis. He says the Telephone Consumer Protection Act restricts telemarketers in 3 main ways. Among them, penalties for violating federal and state do not call lists.
If you're registered on both of those, you can potentially get a penalty under the TCPA, which is the federal law, and then the Missouri law, which restricts these types of calls as well.
Roberts says under federal law, if you get more than one robocall from the same company in a 12-month period, you could take action against that company for $500 or more per call. Under Missouri law, the same robocall scenario could entitle you to up to $5,000. Armando Fierro's used the law to his advantage.
Because of NDAs, I can't talk about the specific amounts, but I can say it's several $1,000s.
Pinpointing the company behind the robocall will take preparation and investigation.
So that's why it's really important that you act interested, you build that rapport, you be very nice to get information about what's the name of your company, what's the website, where are you located, and then you can use that information to figure out, yes, it's ABC company out of this state, and then pursue a case.
The TCPA also restricts telemarketers from using pre-recorded voice calls.
Sometimes there will be a call and you hear a live person on the call, but before that you hear something like press 1 to speak with a live representative.
If you get a live person on the phone, Roberts says to follow the same playbook he discussed. If the caller leaves a voicemail, save it. It may include information about the business you need to take action.
We will hear argument first this morning in case 19-511, Facebook versus Dogood.
The Supreme Court recently issued an opinion on a provision in the TCPA that restricts telemarketers from placing auto-dialed calls and texts without consumers' permission. Roberts says the court's decision makes it more difficult for consumers to prove the telemarketer used the technology to call them.
I am not going to be surprised if consumers start receiving even more robocalls than we're receiving right now, and unsolicited text messages as well.
That's why knowing your rights under the TCPA has never been more important.
You have a right as a consumer to have your phone and be able to answer it happily with no problem. It's these robocallers that making answering a phone such a problem nowadays.
We should note this law doesn't apply to political calls or nonprofits, and you should still be wary of sharing any personal information until you've determined the call is not a scam. We have more on your rights under the TCPA, including links to the federal and state no-call lists on fox2now.com. I'm Mike Colombo, Fox 2 News.